What's up, you guys? I'm Helen Lynn, and I am a personal trainer based out of Boston. I was on American Ninja Warrior. I'm a rock climber. I'm an ice swimmer. And even with all these athletic backgrounds, my personal favorite is still lifting at the gym. And with a lot of my clients, their biggest fears walking into the gym is, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do there. The weights look really intimidating. There's all these huge guys making noises. I don't know what to do, so I don't want to go in. Well, today I'm going to show you what all the equipment are at the gym, basically give you a gym 101 so you can feel comfortable when you step in. You'll see this at the gym, and they're usually, you might want to use them with a squat rack, which this is a squat rack. You got these hooks that you can adjust easily to your height, okay? And then obviously with barbells, often you want to load it, and how you load it is you put on weights of different sizes that you'll also see at the gym or wherever you may be at. And that is, you stick them on the two ends of the barbell, and that's how you load the barbell, okay? And then you might also see a suspension trainer at the gym. I love these because you use your body weight as resistance. So you don't have to worry about numbers or anything like that. You literally just change the angle to get different type of resistance in terms of harder resistance or easier resistance just by adjusting the angle. So I love them. I love them. All right, we got some kettlebells. Kettlebells are really awesome because you can really do a lot of things with just one side. So you could do one-sided exercises, and it's easy to carry and move around, but it's also got different types of loading that you can do, but simpler to carry. And so that's also a lot of fun. You can do a lot of fun stuff with those. These are just regular weights that you'll see at the gym everywhere. Obviously from all sizes and weights from, 5 all the way up to 95. And for these, I mean, they're pretty simple to use because you just grab them with two hands, and there's obviously a lot of variety of exercises you can do that you can refer to our channel to see. But basically, they're simple to use. You just grab them, and there's all different weights and sizes. And then you'll probably see this, last but not least, the bench. Bench is great because you can use it for any kind of pressing movements when you're lying down, or you can use it, you can adjust this to sit up, and you could do weights in different lying down or sitting up for your workout. Bands, you'll see these at the gym. You'll see a lot of times bigger ones and smaller ones. And for bands are really great because they are easier to carry and move around. So transportation-wise, equipment is very simple. But I like to use these as, it's a little bit easier than using regular weights. So I like to use that because you can also replicate a lot of the similar exercises with bands that you can do, like if you're doing curls, that kind of stuff. It's all the same type of movements, but just with bands. So that's what I like to use with bands as well. Foam roller, I love the foam roller. With the foam roller, a lot of times people like to use them before or after a workout, but this is a great way to kind of release any tightness that you might have or help with mobility, depending how you want to use it. Again, some people actually really like to use it before workout. Some people like to use it after workout to kind of loosen up your muscles, but a really great recovery tool that is at the gym for you to use. All right, guys, I hope that was super helpful. If you need anything else, please drop us a line at the comments below and let us know what will help you to make a successful gym workout.